Every day, a new page turns in the book of your life. Yesterday is written, but today is a blank page. The pen is in your hand. What will you write? Life isn't just a journey of miles, but of moments. Each step, a choice. Each choice, a stroke of that pen. There will be obstacles, doubts, but greatness isn't in never falling, it's in rising every time you fall. You are stronger than you know. The mountain before you is not immovable. Every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Success isn't defined by applause, but by the quiet confidence that you did your best. The world is vast, and the possibilities are endless. But it's you who shapes your world. Today is your canvas, your stage. What will you create? The story of your life isn't written by fate, it's written by you. Your life, your story, your masterpiece.